Hey lovelies, it's me again, Maria. So today I'm actually gonna teach you guys and give you some tutorial about how to look glowy and radiant in the summer. Right now we're probably towards the spring, so summer's coming around and we need to look more glowier and more radiance for the sun. I'm gonna start off. I don't really have any makeup on, so except my fake lashes here, as you guys can see. So I'm actually gonna start off with my moisturizer right here. This is the moisturizer I have. By the way, I have like normal to dry skin. So if you guys have a oily skin or even drier skin, we're gonna work into that. So I chose this because my skin is normal to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And you guys probably have your own moisturizer at home, so you can go ahead and apply it, and then I'll lead you guys and you can just follow. So this is my moisturizer right here, and I'll put that on. Not gonna do much. All right, so when you're done with the moisturizer, what you guys are gonna do is you still gotta put on your primer. You know, whatever you're using. If you have any redness, go ahead and apply that. For me, I have a little bit more kind of a dry skin right here, and my pores are open, so I'm actually going to use my Plump and Prime, which is from Too Faced. I love this one. So this one actually plumped my skin and it minimized my pores, so I love this. And it's very hydrating. So for those of you that are like have a combo skin, and normally we actually get dry on this part right here and more oily where the nose area and right here like between your brows. So go ahead and apply that. Nice and fresh. And then after that, I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation. So you guys can use whatever foundation you have. Like I said, if you have oily skin, go ahead and mattify a little bit. And if you have one of those tinted moisturizer, you can go ahead and use that. For myself, I'm actually gonna use this one right here, and I'm gonna mix it with my foundation. So this is from Becca. And I am using the Skin Love from Becca as well. So I'm going to mix it because I don't want my foundation to be looking thick. So what I'm doing is mix a little bit of my foundation with my primer. And I'm going to, you guys can apply that with your fingers, or you can use a brush or any beauty blender. That's fine as well. So this one will just give me a little color because my face is just too white. So hey, we're going into summer. Like I said, this is really nice. It's quick and easy. Prime, a little bit of foundation or tinted moisturizer. And then we're gonna go ahead and put on some highlighter. All right, so for my highlighter, I'm actually going for this gal right here. And the drugstore has that too. They have them all. This one is from Stila. So I like this one because it gives you a little bit of the different color that you can highlight on your cheeks, your nose, and of course your brows, and also your chin. So with this, you can use your finger and kind of just apply that. But for myself, I'm going to use my brush. And what I like using for mine, it's going to be this brush right here. So this is the flat one. Just so you know, you can use your finger like I said, and sometimes I actually use this one. This brush right here, I use this only because I felt like it's flatter and it actually grabs more, and this is when I have a lot of makeup on. So for being more natural, I would highly suggest use this brush right here. So I'm actually gonna use the middle one. And I'm just going to apply that right here. As you could see the glow, you can see it already. Wow, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna pick that too. Apply it on the other cheeks right here. Just towards, just right here on your cheekbones. And then you can go a little bit up, like you can do a letter C right there. As you can see, my face is already glowy. Hey! And then sometimes I do my nose, just right here. A little bit on your chin. Don't forget the chin. Do you guys see? It's really nice and glowy, and it's simple. And now I'm actually, so if you guys want to leave it as is, you can, but I like to put my blush on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little blush for me. And for my blush, I'm going to use this baby right here. And again, this is from Becca. It has the highlighter, the blush, and also bronzer. So I'm actually gonna use this right here, the lighter one, just to put that. A little bit of the nose. Right here, cheeks right here. So pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the blush. For me, I have this cheekbone, so I actually gotta go around. I don't need to contour, but you can, however, if you want to. And then when you guys are done, you can go ahead and use your setting powder or setting spray. That's not a problem. I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna do it right here. There you go. So it's so simple. It's your moisturizer. Use whatever you guys have at home. If you have oily skin, go ahead use some, moisturizer that has oil-free. And you can go ahead and get your primer, your foundation, tinted moisturizer, whatever you guys want to use, and then go ahead and jump into like highlighter, which is liquid if you are dry, or powder, if you are oily. So doesn't matter what you guys pick. You can go to Ulta, Sephora, whatever, they sell it everywhere. But this is the look of the summer if you guys want to have that nice glowy skin. All right, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. It's me again, Maria. Thank you.